I also left her, by the way. Oh my god. She's lost. I won't be. I'm a little peppy. You know what I mean? The hag doesn't even have a wrinkle. The fuck? Hey, calm down. Hey. Put some respect on her name. I'm in her class. I'm in her class. She's gonna. Just the random classmates. JP Dub was a good choice. I love the JP Dub so much. Yeah! Yes! My man! My man! Also, voiced by, you know, well, I guess also ironically, Kosuke Toriumi. Junpei Iori, my man! That's our boy! Really starting any rumors necessarily. I mean, I'm just straight chilling. No, Junpei, it's not like that. Yeah, bro. It's not like that. I only have eyes for you, bro. I'll never. Hey, I didn't do shit, dog. It's always the troublemaker theme, bro. Yeah. Just me and my bro. Akihiko! Sorry, but I'm busy. Could you come back later? Bestie! Bestie! Hey.
Yeah, konbanwa.
It's not the same as the original, but I still love the track. What do I call? A girl wants to walk home with me? Really? Really? Sure. Been worried? You're worried about me? A first time man-kun? Oh my god, Hajukashi! I love the redone art. The redone sprites are so good. The outfits, the graphics, it looks so good. Yukari looks fucking amazing. The back of Akiko's head looks amazing. Show me the front, please. Yeah.
2年 F 組の伊織純平だ。今日からここに住む。どうす
？My man!
嘘！何かの間違いでしょ？
それに俺たちのスキルアップにもうってつけの場所だ。
Let's take a second to admire the smiling Akihiko sprite, guys. Let's take a second to just admire what a pretty man that he is. What a good boy that he is before he becomes a big burly man in Persona 4 Ultimax or Arena Ultimax. Just look at him. Look at him. Anyway.
あそこは行ってみればシャドウの巣だからな。